Why am I recording this video? Just to tell you what you can see on Dashly YouTube channel. Is Dashly a product? Yes, but most of all, Dashly is the team, and that team has lots and lots and lots of expertise. One day we decided to share all the expertise we have with you. So what type of topics you can find on our YouTube channel? Leads generation, leads nurturing, leads qualification, email marketing, retention practices. In general, we have prepared the materials about the funnel optimization for both e-commerce and SaaS. We've been collecting this expertise for about 5 years already. And instead of writing a book and selling it on Amazon, we decided to run a YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notifications. You'll never miss a single unique and pretty useful tip. You will never miss best practices that you can apply the very moment after watching the video. All the videos that we have are very much practical, which means no theory, just best tips and practices for your e-commerce store or SaaS product. Enjoy!